Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about another LeetCode challenge, and this is also a little bit interesting, and this says that verifying an alien dictionary. So as it is given in the statement, you can see in an alien language, surprisingly they also use English lowercase letters, but possibly in a different order. The order of the alphabet is some permutation of lowercase letters. Given a sequence of words written in the alien language, the order of the alphabet return true if and only if the given words are sorted lexicographically in this alien language. So here the word list is given like hello and LeetCode, and the order is given in some certain order that you can give by yourself also as you wish. And so what we have to do is we have to check letter by letter between these two words, and we have to check that if like the first letter in hello is H and the first letter in LeetCode is L. Now if you look in the alien order, H comes before L, so we can say these words are still ordered, and then we will next check the next letter. So the next letter is E. Now in hello also the next letter is E, and in LeetCode also the next letter is E. Now as you can see in the order given, so as they both are same, we don't need to check them. Actually they are perfectly fine. And then for the next one, then we should move to the next one. So in the hello the next one is L, and the LeetCode the next one is again E. Now as you can see in the given order, L comes before E, so it's still ordered. So we'll move to the fourth letter, and like that letter by letter we will go. Now if you see, the fourth letter is L, and in the LeetCode the fourth letter is T, and the L comes before T in the order given in the alien dictionary. So again up to this it is ordered. Now we'll go for O. Now as you can see, O is the fifth letter in hello, and C is the fifth letter in LeetCode, and in the order given, C comes much before O. As you can see, the C is in here and O is in here. So finally the words are not sorted, we will say, because this O comes before the C. So we'll say that the words are not sorted, alien words are not sorted, or so in this case it will not be sorted. So I'll show how I have done this. So first, for the L in the range of length of words, we will check the order, the length of the words given with the total order of the dictionary given. And if the order is the length of the order is greater than each of the words given, then we will first make them of the same length by appending these dots. Okay, and so first is that we want these words and this order all of the same length, each word and this order all of the same length. For that part we have used this for making the lengths of the order and each words equal, append dot. So for this part, this loop is working, and for the next part we are going to define some empty dictionaries, and then we are going to store each letter and their corresponding position in the letter. Like H is in the 0th position, E is in the 1st position, L is in the 3rd position, this L also in the 4th position, this O is in the 5th position in the hello. So that we want to store in this dictionary, the dictionary of word 0, that is B. In B we want to store that. And for lit code, like L is in the 0th position, E is in the 1st position, the second A is in the 2nd position, this T is in the 3rd position, C is in the 4th position, O is in the 5th position, D is in the 6th position, E is in the 7th position. And this we words 1 and that we want to store in C. So each letter, and also we will store for this order that in A. So first we will storing the positions of letters in dictionary. Okay, so for this we have used this part of the code, and finally we are defining a function which will take a call of the each words and then return our final result that we want if the alien words are sorted or the alien words are not sorted. That for that part, checking the sorting part of the alien dictionary. Okay, so for this we are using this part, for this we are using this part. And so here, like I said, we are making all the words, all the strings of equal lengths by using this part, and here we are storing each index, each letter and their corresponding position, and then we are checking. So how we are checking is, we are checking the letter for a particular letter position. We are checking for a particular letter, that we are checking the position in that A and B, A and C. So A is this order and B, C are these words. So for this H, we will check the position of the H, like it is in the first position, and we will so B of H was also in first position, and we will make it this first position. And for this, like this L it is here in second position, so first second position, and that will correspondingly store in C, and we'll check if B is less equal to C or not. If B is less equal to C, obviously it is ordered, right? Because for H is 0th position in here, and L is first position here, so L is 1 and H is 0. And if we are checking like B, so B is 0, which is less equal to 1, so it is sorted, still sorted. So then we will continue. And else, if at some point we get that this condition is not satisfied, at that point we will break it and we will say that okay, alien words are not sorted. Okay, and if this statement is not satisfied, then ultimately we will say okay, the alien words were sorted. Okay, so it's like that. And so because of this, let's see. So for this, what happens if I run this? So it says alien words are not sorted. So why it says that? Because of this O. Like I told earlier, this O is in the 5th position, and here in the 5th position it is C, but the C comes much earlier in the O. So in here this condition will fail, because in here it will come like so the O position is much bigger number, it will come in here, and this position, this C position will be a smaller number that will come in here, and this condition will fail, and then it will break and print that alien words are not sorted. So it is something like that. So this is for 2 words, and we can also do it for more than 2 words. That is also perfectly fine. For that we have to change the statement in here. Alright, so I hope this was helpful. Thank you.